Think you need Kali Linux to start hacking? Think again. Forget what you've been told. Real hackers don't need Linux to break barriers. Kali? Nah. You've got a weapon right in front of you, Windows plus PowerShell. You thought PowerShell was just for sysadmins? Let me show you the other side. Windows isn't just for gaming or office work. It's a powerful hacking machine waiting to be unlocked. It's not about the OS, it's about the operator. And Windows is fully loaded. With PowerShell, WSL, and a little creativity, Windows becomes a command center. You've already got the gear. Now let's teach it to bite. We'll use built-in tools and a few clever tricks to scan, probe, and automate like pros. Recon scripts, payloads, persistence tactics, crafted from inside your Windows terminal. Forget dual booting. This is full-stack hacking the Windows way. Whether you're chasing bug bounties or leveling up your red team game, this is your launchpad. Think of this as your hacking dojo, where every command turns you into something sharper. No fluff, just real tools, real code, real hacks from Windows. One OS, infinite possibilities. You bring the mind, we'll unlock the machine. PowerShell is more than a shell. It's a blade. Let's teach you how to wield it. Welcome to PowerHack, where Windows learns to fight. Subscribe now and let's turn your Windows machine into a full-blown hacking platform.